Okay, so it doesn't really... It was pretty much black all over, because the window didn't stick, so... And now I wonder, how do I actually capture the game in full screen? Oh, I still hear myself, it's weird. But now the gameplay should be visible. And I didn't actually listen to the sound, see if it's good. And yeah, I did modify the window texture a bit. I remembered that. Yeah, here's the to-do list. Here, the farm. Paintings, because I guess I had too much leather. Chest. Yeah, I used to have a giant cactus here, just... Yeah. Those who knows. Those who knows. Those who knows. They knows. Yes, I did build a statue of myself. At least it was my old skin. It's... Whoa. Whoa. What the... Why the red dots? What? Why the red dots? Why are they here? What? What? So if I just look at the front of the skin, it's nothing to worry about. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. That's a lot of reverb. At least I'm hearing reverb right now as I'm speaking. Yeah. 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 Ugh. It's been a while since I haven't been in that world. Since I haven't done something in it. What was I doing when I left? I'm going back to the to-do list. What was I doing? Do, 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 do. Tune, 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 tune. Oh, I see the amplify filter thingy doesn't go deep enough, because when I speak deeply, like tune, 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 it cuts off. I can hear it cut off. This thing, yeah. Yeah, how far along am I in that? Two, 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 two. The vowel U is not been captured well. Instead, hello there. Zombie! Ooh, zombies! So yeah, I was making the town hall here. I just had absolutely no clue what it was meant to look like. I was just deciding its height. And I did make a few houses over there. I did plan to replace this with townhouses. So yeah, the style will be a lot different from these houses. And surely a lot different than this thing. That's not my proudest of creations. Yeah, I did advance a bit. So I remember all these being wool, placeholder wool. It's not done. See, I did work on it. I did advance. Hey, doors were expensive back in the days, alright? No, 6 wall planks for a single door. That's 6 cubic meters of wood. And I'll try to get a better view. A better view. A better view. I should really change the filter, or I could stop singing so that I could hear myself well. Because no one, I say no one will hear this video. No one will see this recording. This is purely for testing purposes. As I say that, I'm actively changing my own mind. Convincing myself silently to, not so silently, to actually publish this thing. No one shall see this. No one. That didn't capture well, did it? Oh, I can't see anything. Okay, yes. So it's not finished. It's really not finished. See, the roofs are done. So yeah, there's that. Whee! Whee! You see, that's how I could spend 4 years in this world and do basically nothing. But because I just mess around, I do nothing, then I leave. Then I leave and don't connect back for like 2 months. I guess I could do something right now. A pigocide. Boom. Kaboom. La cab. Blam. Boom. Kaboom. Yeah, I can. Die. Oh, you're on Sunday night. You shouldn't be. Oh, oh, that's right. I was doing that. Hey, come in. Yeah, he'll teleport. He, it. Mobs are genderless anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And your name. This little guy's name is, oh, what was it again? Ah! I usually have great memory. Yeah, I can. Oh. I think I didn't hear that. I think that you didn't hear that. Imaginary audience. Oh, that's dangerous. Oh. Well, that will be a test of the audio quality. I just step outside in the rain, see how the sound compares to my voice. But first under the building. In here. It should be pretty audible. Yeah. Yeah, 3D audio. 3D. First D, second D, third D. Yeah, but I wanted to compare it to my voice, but if I don't speak, it won't work. You know what I'm gonna do. And... Not you. You get to live. I can't blame, I can't blame. The childishness! I can't contain it! I can't contain the childishness!